guys, this is Deekshith from the team Programming Panthers. We are a team of two, myself and Khalil. Today we are going to replicate the landing page of Armani Exchange. This is the landing page that we need to replicate in our project. We will be replicating this landing page using the Visual Studio. In the Visual Studio, let us create a new folder. Which is named after our project name Armani Exchange. And using the Visual Studio we'll be replicating the landing page. Now let's open the folder. And let us create a new file which is named after index.html. And we'll be also needing CSS for designing the web page. So let's create a CSS file which is named after style.css. In the HTML file we'll be starting with the starting part. Okay. Yeah, this is the head part. This head section contains the external links used in the web page. The meta tags here are used for the compatibility and viewport settings. Here we link the HTML page to the CSS page. So whatever the styling we did in the CSS design for the web page will be linked to the HTML page to get our required output. We also have a link to the Bootstrap CSS file hosted on a CDN. This thing. We have linked the Bootstrap CSS file. Next we have the title of the project, which is the name of the landing page, Armani Exchange. Next we need to write the body part. Let's write the body part. Yeah, this is our body part. This element body contains all the visible content in the web page, all the visible content which we are seeing in the landing page. We can write in this. Here to create this navigation bars we have used containers. So we can see that there are many navigation bars or services, discover them all this. So we have used the containers. We have used containers to create the navigation bar. Here the first container 1, it is visible that container 1 contains the content of the main navigation bar that we can see in the landing page. Our services discover them all. This is the primary navigation bar. So in container we have displayed the content in the primary navigation bar. And next in the container 2 we have written the content we need to get in the navigation bar, secondary navigation bar, which we have the all this armani.com contact us and all these symbols. So as we can see, armani.com contact us and all the icons we need, person outline and location, search circle, heart outline, and all this we can see in the landing page. So we have created this in the container. Coming to this UL and LI, these are unordered list and list items containing navigation links. We should create various href attributes containing the navigation links. We should also create the icon these elements to display the icons that we wanted that are visible in the landing page. As we can see, icon of map and a person, and also we can see a icon of menu. So these will be creating using this icon. And coming to this division, we use h5 and h6 for displaying the logo and this logo and the name of the web page. Yeah, as you can see here, Armani Exchange. And now coming to the container 3, we have various sections like men, women, men, style tips, gifts, outlet, assistive catalog, you.me.us, and the rate Armani Exchange, book an appointment. All this will be written in the container 3. Generally, this container 3 is nothing but we are giving a name to a division so that we can easily access in style.css. Just we are giving a name. In the container 4, we have created a grid layout for displaying cards. As you can see here, we have created a grid layout for displaying the cards. We have a card containing this image. The image we need. This is the image we need. So this is the body for body we have written. This is the body we have written to link the image. This is the image element displaying the image. This is the image element. You can see. This is the image element displaying the image. Here we should write a script tag linking an external JavaScript so we can upload the icon. This is the tag we used to link the external JS so we can upload the icons all we need. Yeah, this is all the HTML content that we need to write. We only write what we need to display in this HTML file, only the displaying content. Now let's move on to the CSS through which we will be styling our web page. We have just written the content of everything what we need, but for styling of the web page we need the CSS, so we will be styling in the CSS. Yeah, when we come to the CSS code, we'll be writing a CSS code. Now in the landing page we actually have the background color of the body as alias blue, so we'll be setting the background color of the body to alias blue accordingly. Coming to the container 1, we have in the HTML page we can see in container 1 we wrote the content of the primary navigation bar. Yes, you can see our services and discover them all. So we need to style them according to the web page that we need to replicate. So this our services and discover them all is at the center of the navigation bar. So we will be setting the width to auto, so it will center. So we will be getting that content to the center automatically. It auto adjusts. So here we need to style the main navigation container with a flex layout. So we'll be using the command called display flex, and we will start aligning the items at the start. So we'll write align items of start. So in the landing page we have an underline to the text, so we can design it as the text decoration line as underline, so we get an output of underline under the text. To replicate the page as it is, we will be setting the width to the 1500 pixel, height to 30 pixel, font size to 13 pixel, and background color of RGB 146, 241 and 51. Here we will be styling the unordered list in the main navigation container. We will be only styling the unordered list by using the display block. And to center the content horizontally, we will be using margin auto, and we will be using a padding of 10 pixel. And here in the container, coming to the container 2, we have in the class container 2 we have element, we have the content in the secondary navigation bar, this arman.com and contact us and all the icons. So to get this black color, we will be using background color black. And this overflow hidden will be used to hide any extra content that is present in the class container 2. And here in the landing page we have the container 2 elements. So according to this we need to style the CSS. So we have given the text align as center and padding from top and bottom as 14 pixel and from left to right as 16 pixel, and text decoration to none, and the font size of the elements in the container 2 is given as 17 pixel. And coming down, the elements with the class container 2 and both split, which contain container 2 and split is given float to right. And coming to container 3 we have the elements like woman, men, style tips. All these elements are colored in black. So we will be given the color for the container 3 elements as black, and padding from top as 15 pixel and padding from left as 10 pixel. So we will be able to replicate the same. And coming to the down part, we have this mix, match and repeat, all this stuff and the paragraph. Here in the HTML document, we have written all this in the paragraph thing here, mix, match and repeat. So we'll be styling using this name and we'll be giving the font size. And in the landing page, we have this paragraph step into the summer season effortlessly and this stuff. And in the HTML document, we have written this using this paragraph using the headlines h5. So in CSS, we will be giving a padding of 10 pixel so we can get same replicas as given in the landing page. After completing the styling of that paragraph, after this paragraph, we have those buttons which we have given in the HTML document. I'll be showing you this. Yeah, we have given buttons for men and women. We will be styling in CSS by using this button, by using the class dot container 5 button. uh, to get same replica, we will be giving a padding left for 50 pixel, padding right of 50 pixel, and a padding top of 20 pixel, and padding bottom of 20 pixel, and we'll be justifying the content to space between, and we'll be giving the border. This all will be given to get the same replica. And now we will be seeing the output what we will get. Let's see the output and the required image. Yeah, we are missing with this background color, so we'll be adding this background color also. Yeah, by adding this background image and the color as allies blue, we'll be getting our output. So this is our output, and the image we need to replicate is this. So this is our project to replicate the landing page of Armani Exchange. Thank you.